Hello guys, my name is Aftab and today's video I'm going to show you how to install Jenkins from the scratch on your Ubuntu machine 22.04 LTS. So as you know that Jenkins is a free and open source automation tool which is used to create CI/CD pipelines. So I have a new machine here. I deployed that machine on Azure Cloud. So we need to take a SSH login. So here is my public IP. And let's access the terminal. So wrong password. Let's see what's happened this time. Okay, so I have successfully logged in my Ubuntu machine, and let's follow the step one by one. Okay, so in this first step we need to just update our repository. Just copy and paste this command here, and it will take few seconds to update your current Ubuntu repository. Once it's done, so we will follow another step. So it's done now. Now we need to just upgrade our current packages. Okay, so it's about to complete. We need to wait till then. Okay, it's done now. Then we need to install Java 11 in Ubuntu 22.04 especially. So here is the command sudo apt-get install openjdk-11-jdk. So just copy and paste on your terminal, and it will also take few minutes to install and set up it depending on your machine configuration and internet speed. Okay, all done. So after installation we need to also verify the version name. This is a good practice to avoid any kind of error. So we can see that after execution of Java hyphen version, we can see that it is having 11.0.19 Java version. Okay, so in step 3 we need to add Jenkins key and repository. So here is the command for the same. Just copy and execute on your terminal like this, and then we need to add the repository. So this is a key and this is a repository. Just copy and paste on your terminal. Done. And now we need to update the repository to sync with this Jenkins repo. So we can see that here get it sync with Jenkins repo, and now we are good to use sudo apt-get command to install Jenkins. So here is the command I have already on our blog, and just copy and just we need to install Jenkins package. So it's almost done, and let's see what is the last message. So it's creating systemctl service to control Jenkins daemon. Okay, it's done now. So controlling Jenkins service, so we need to see Jenkins status. It is running, it is stop, and what. So we can see that it is up and running, which is good for us. And then we need to access Jenkins using port number 8080. So this machine not having any kind of firewall, but my cloud has. So I need to go to networking blade, and here I need to just click on add inbound rule. And already we are having port 8080 with right protocol and action. Just click on add. So deployment is under process. Go back to the terminal. Okay, and now we need to just copy the public IP and paste on your browser and add the colon, then port number 8080, hit the enter. So this should connect with our Jenkins server. So we must have our up and running Jenkins to set another required settings. Actually, Azure NSG take 1 or 2 minutes and 3 minutes in real time. Okay, it's up now. So here we need to unlock the Jenkins. So we need to see the initial admin password with this path. So I have already command for the same. Go to your terminal and execute this command, and you will get your initial password. So just copy and paste here. Click on continue button, and then it is asking for the plugins. So I would go with suggested plugins. Just click on that, and it will start suggested plugins for us. So it has Gradle, it has spam authentication, pipeline stage view, and workspace cleanup, folders, pipeline, git, LDAP, credential building, and lots of. Okay, so here we need to create our first admin user. So this would be Aftab, and password as per my need, and full name Aftab, and password would be aftabali025@gmail.com, and then click on save and continue. And here we need to confirm this is my access point of Jenkins. Okay, I'm ready with this, and click on save and finish, and click on start using Jenkins. So finally here we will get our Jenkins dashboard. Now we can start creating a job for CI/CD or any cron job using Jenkins. So I hope you will like this video, and do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in next video.